Welcome to today's explainer. Right, so today we're unpacking a word that's, well, it's fundamentally about presence and connection. The word is accompany. In just a few minutes, we're going to map out its meaning, exactly how to deploy it, and the absolutely fascinating history behind it. And spoiler alert, it actually involves sharing bread. Let's get started.
All right, section 1, meet today's word.
So the word breaks down into 4 distinct syllables. Accompany. Go ahead, actually try saying it out loud to yourself right now to build up that muscle memory. Accompany. Owning a new word really starts with just feeling totally comfortable saying it out loud.
Moving right along to section 2, the core meaning. Operating as a transitive verb, the primary meaning of accompany is to simply go along with or come with someone or something. Now, there is a secondary meaning out there referring to things happening simultaneously, but honestly, for our purposes today, we are hyper-focusing on this first definition. It's for sure the most common way you're going to encounter the word in the wild. To truly master a concept, you kind of have to know its boundaries. Accompany is active participation. It literally requires a tether. If a situation completely lacks togetherness, or say if people are operating independently in entirely separate spheres, well, you just can't use accompany. It absolutely demands a shared presence.
Okay, section 3, real-world scenarios.
Picture this for a second. It's Monday morning. The office lights are buzzing, and the boss accompanied the new employee to her workstation. You can almost see the manager walking side by side with the nervous new hire, right? Actively guiding them. Tying the word accompany to this physical act of going along with someone, well, it just makes the meaning stick effortlessly.
But here's the thing. It doesn't just apply to humans. For example, a teacher's manual accompanies the textbook. I love this because it highlights the word's flexibility. It applies to inanimate objects and ideas just as well as people. The manual comes with the textbook. They travel together like a package deal.
Next up is section 4, word relationships and anatomy.
Notice the Latin prefix "ac." It literally translates to or toward, perfectly pointing toward connection and movement. But okay, here's an absolutely incredible fact. The root of the word comes from the late Latin compagno, which breaks down to come, meaning together, and panis, meaning bread. So to accompany someone literally stems from the idea of sharing bread with them. How cool is that?
Expanding your vocabulary network is really key here. For a direct synonym, you can just swap accompany with attend or escort. Or, for a slightly different flavor, try words like chaperone, consort, or usher. It's also deeply related to concepts like guiding or supplementing. Building all these associations, it creates these robust pathways in your brain to effortlessly retrieve the word right when you need it.
All right, bringing us home to section 5, your daily word challenge.
So, here is my challenge to you. Sometime today, just write a single sentence using accompany as a verb. Text it to a friend, jot it down on a sticky note, whatever works. And hey, if you're feeling ambitious, try to craft a sentence that uses accompany, a synonym like escort, and an antonym all in the exact same thought. It's this kind of active engagement that turns basic recognition into true mastery.
Let's do a quick recap. Accompany. To go along with or come with someone or something. Your go-to synonym? Attend. Whether it's a boss walking with a new employee or a manual package with a textbook, it really is all about that shared presence. So the next time you walk with someone, I want you to think about that shared history of breaking bread together. So what does this all mean for you? And more importantly, who are you accompanying today? Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next explainer.